In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bluehost WonderSuite AI Site Creator. If you're looking to craft a stunning website without the hassle of extensive coding, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easier than ever to bring your site to life. To begin, you'll want to start with Bluehost hosting. Enrolling in a Bluehost WordPress hosting plan is essential because the WonderSuite Builder is included at no extra cost. It's a fantastic value since you'll get access to all the tools you need to start building your site right away. Once you've set up your hosting plan, you can dive into the exciting part, creating your website. Next, you need to access the AI Builder. Log into your Bluehost account manager. It's quite straightforward. You'll see a user-friendly dashboard in front of you. Navigate to the Hosting tab, or you might find what you need under the Websites tab. Here, you can click on Add Site, or, if you already have a domain, manage it. This is your gateway to launching the AI-powered magic. Now, let's launch WonderStart AI. You'll be prompted to install WordPress with WonderStart. It's important here to enter your site's title and domain. If you haven't committed to a domain yet, don't worry. You can use a temporary one for now. At this stage, you have the option to bypass additional features like SEO tools or e-commerce capabilities. These can easily be added later, so let's keep it simple for now. Once installed, it's time to fill in your site details. WonderStart will prompt you for information about your website's purpose and desired style. This is a chance to let your imagination run free. If you have a logo ready, upload it now, but if not, you can move forward without it. The AI will gather all the essential information needed to craft a design that matches your vision. It's quite intuitive and does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. With the basic groundwork laid, you'll reach the exciting part where you select and customize your AI-generated design. WonderSuite will present you with 3 tailored versions of your site. Take your time as you preview each one. Pick the design that resonates with you, or if none quite fit what you're looking for, you can regenerate and explore new options. Customizing your chosen design is straightforward. You'll have control over elements like colors, fonts, and layout, allowing you to fine-tune your site to perfectly suit your brand's identity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully navigated the process of using the Bluehost WonderSuite AI Site Creator. Building a professional-looking website has never been easier, thanks to the power of AI. Enjoy the creative process, and remember to have fun refining and personalizing your site.